Hi, I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahliabad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are continuing our part number 3, chapter number 8, Oscillation, Physics Inter First Year or 11th class you can say. Now in today's session we will going to come across with the topic like show that the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic motion. Hand derive an equation for its time period. What is second pendulum? You can see that in a single question it has multiple queries, okay, that is multiple questions. First we need to show that the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic motion. After that we need to derive the equation for the time period of the simple pendulum, we can say. What is second pendulum? And we need to give the definition related to the second pendulum. Now you can see I wrote somewhat answer also. Motion of simple pendulum. The diagrammatical representation of simple pendulum is as shown in the below. Now I am drawing one, like you can see here, this is a rigid support, and here I am giving a name as S because we are suspending a simple pendulum, as you can see here, isn't it? Now we need to consider few things with us, like the length of the simple pendulum. Okay, the length is nothing but from here to here is L. Now we can give the name for this line as like fixed support. We don't have or rigid support, we can say, and this is a thread, or we are tying with the string, and this string is nothing but like inextinguishable string. Okay, and here we have bob with us, and this is the point mass. Here we can suppose as there is an mass like point mass, we can say. When we hold the pendulum and leave for few direction, it will be do an to and fro motion, and it will go to this side, okay, then again it will go to this side, okay, and it is making an angle with this as theta, we can consider, isn't it? Now I am going to tell few theory part related to this. You need to listen carefully and write in your notebooks. Okay, the simple pendulum consists of massive object called pendulum bob, which is suspended from a fixed support. The distance between the suspension point and center of gravity of bob gives length of the pendulum L. When I was telling this part might gone from your screen. That theory part you need to copy down, keep with you. The thing which I draw just now, that only mentioned in that theory part, like the simple pendulum is consist of a massive object called pendulum bob. This is nothing but this round spherical thing you are seeing. This is nothing but a pendulum bob which is suspended from a fixed support. You can see here S is nothing but suspended from fixed support. The distance between the suspension point and the center of gravity of bob gives the length of the pendulum. You can see from here, okay, to here, that is center point of the bob, gives the length of the pendulum. Next theory part is, it will also go from your screen itself. When the pendulum bob is drawn to certain displacement and released, it moved to and fro, making oscillation about the mean position. Therefore the oscillation of simple pendulum are simple harmonic, and bob executes simple harmonic motion. So now same thing, when the bob when I said that I am just holding this bob and displacing, that means moving its place, and releases, what happened, it moves from to and fro. Say we can say that it will, this is nothing but the position from where it starts is nothing but mean position. Okay, it is called as mean position, whereas this and this are the we can say displaced position. And one more thing we have with us, amplitude with us. Amplitude is nothing but if this bob is going to a last point, there is maximum displacement. That term usually defined in our physics like amplitude. So hope you can you wrote this theory parts related to this. Now from up to here answer is done. That means show that the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic. If it acts in this means you need to write up to this only, and sometime what it will do means after asking this it will going to give you some problem. You need to solve that numeric and you need to go through with this answer so that you will get complete 8 marks. Now but in this answer we need to derive one more equation related to the time period of simple harmonic motion or simple pendulum, whatever you say. I want to just rough the complete board. If you want you can copy down this. Hope you have copied on. Now the second thing I am going to write here is nothing but time period, period, period. Here I said the time period of a simple pendulum. I said just now simple harmonic motion, it is simple pendulum. Okay, I wrote the heading, you can see here. Now we need to completely do a derivation related to the time period this. For that I will going to draw a simple diagram, you can see here. Okay, I am considering a fixed support here. Okay, and this fixed support I am considering as a position O. In previous case we have suppose like S. Now here I am supposing O, and this from this O there is an string or thread, whatever you say, it is tied with like bob, or yeah, this is nothing but bob or simple pendulum also you can say. Okay, now when I need a length, so I am supposing this as length L. You can see I am drawing in front of you, it will really help. And I am supposing, okay, length L means I need to draw this mark up to, I think here you can also remember, and you need to draw perfectly diagram when you are drawing. Now this is nothing but position A. Now I will going to do one thing here, that if a pendulum is on this position like, and it is having executing time as T1, isn't it, T1. Now I will going to hold this pendulum or bob and leave, so it will displace somewhat, and this displacement is going to that side. I am considering this displacement as this, you can see. Okay, this is a bob, and I am giving this as equation like point B, where it's reached to the maximum amplitude or maximum displacement, we can say, isn't it. Now there is an angle between them is nothing but theta, and for this line or for this string I am considering as time period or time T2. Usually this is consider as weight of the bob like mg, mass into gravitation. Now this bob suppose is displaced at a like distance, we can say x distance. Okay, and it will reach to that point, and it is also making a theta, and this theta will split into two components. Okay, this is an theta. Okay, and this theta is splitted into two components, like always we are doing in the physics, you know that vertical component and horizontal component. Vertical component here we can say like sin theta, whereas horizontal component is nothing but mg cos theta. So this many things we need to be careful while we are driving the derivation. If we understood this complete diagram means we can drive easily, and on the basis of this diagram only we need to write few lines related to the theory part, like 8 line, 5 line, 10 line, whatever it may be. I am giving this as like figure number 2, whatever you can give figure 1, 2, 3. Why I am giving figure number 2 in this means already we have done one figure like simple harmonic motion, simple pendulum, that's why it is figure number 2. I am saying something, listen carefully. From figure 2, at equilibrium position, the tension in the string is nothing but T1. Okay, just now I say this is time, rectify this, this is not a time, tension. Okay, just now I said like T1 like time and T2 like time, but it is not a time, it is a tension, rectify it. And what is tension? We already learned in our 8th class chapter number 1, force. What is tension? Tension is nothing but it is a type of force which is usually exist in the hanging things. Okay, I am saying something, listen carefully. From figure 2, at equilibrium position, the tension in the string T1 balanced the weight of the bob in opposite direction. That means you can see here, if I am going to cut this string, what happened? Bob will going to fall down. So here we can say that this tension balance the weight of the bob in the opposite direction. The tension in this string and bob is at the end of this string, so it will be considered as opposite direction. When the pendulum is drawn or displaced from A, what I am doing now? I am displacing pendulum from A to B with an angle theta. With an angle here we are making a theta, and releases. It moves to and fro making oscillation with respect to the equilibrium position, and it is executed simple harmonic motion. So now when I leave this means it will execute simple harmonic motion. Now at point A, the weight of the bob is nothing but mg, that is mass into gravitational. But at point B, The force acting on the bob are two types, that is weight of the bob in vertical direction downwards, weight of the bob vertical direction downwards, tension in the string T2 along BO. You can see there is one tension produces in the string like BO. Weight of the bob is resolved in two rectangular component here, like one is mg sin theta and other is mg cos theta. The component mg cos theta is balanced by the tension T2, okay, mg cos theta tension is balanced by T2, whereas the component mg sin theta is unbalanced and act as the restoring force which make the bob to return to its equilibrium position. Here mg cos theta is balanced by this like tension 2, but mg sin theta is not balanced, it is unbalanced and it is act as and restoring force and it is bringing the bob to its mean position again. Now we have with us two things, one is like T2, okay, T2 is nothing but mg cos theta, okay, whereas we have like force of restoring Fr is equals to mg sin theta, but here mg sin theta, but it is in opposite direction, so we will going to consider here like minus mg, okay, because it acting to the opposite direction. So I am giving as equation number 1 here, and why I there is a minus sign I already say, it is in opposite direction. Now here acceleration A is given by, we have one formula with us like restoring force, RESTORING, storing force by mass of bob, that is MASS, mass of bob. Here we can say that A is equals to restoring force we have with us like minus mg sin theta, but the mass of bob is here nothing but only m, whereas g is nothing but gravity. So we are not supposed to consider as the mass of the bob like mg. Somewhere we might have do a mistake, instead of considering only m we may consider like mg, so it will become the like wrong equation. So here m get cancelled, we remains A is equals to minus g sin theta, and I am giving this as like A is equals to minus g theta. Why? Because here I am writing since what I can say, sin theta is very small, sin theta is VERY, very SMALL, small, like sin theta become theta only, sin theta is equals to theta itself. So in place of sin theta we replace only as an theta. Now I am giving this as equation number 2. Now you can see here I am doing from different color marker, from figure, from diagram, from FIGURE figure, like theta is nothing but theta is equals to x by L. So from figure 2 theta is equals to x by L in equation 2. Just we are putting this in equation number 2. What happened? A is as it is, minus g also as it is. In place of theta we will remains like x by L. Now I am going to consider one different thing with me, like A is equals to minus g by L into x. Why? Because in place of g by L we can write one more thing with us, or else just I am considering this as equation number 3. As of now you can just see from diagram only we are fetching many things and we are doing our derivation. So this is an derivation I am doing. As of now I will going to put this derivation once is the derivation completed. As of now need not to copy. We know that, what we know that nothing sir, don't tell nothing, you need to work hard, you need to practice and you need to browse different materials so that you will know everything. So we know that A is equals to like minus omega square x. This is equation number 4 and I am putting in equation number 3. So equation 3 we have with us like in place of like A, what I will going to do, I am going to put minus omega square x, whereas minus g by L into x is as it is, no change in this. Here x get cancelled, we remains like minus omega square is equals to like we can say g by L. Why g by L? Because this minus also get cancelled, so only we remains like omega square by omega square is equals to like g by L. Now we have omega is equals to under root of g by L. Why g by L? Because if this square goes to the right hand side it become root, but we know that again, but omega is equals to, what is omega, all the student and viewers? Here omega we have with us like 2 pi t, isn't it? In above, just I am putting in the above equation, so it will become like 2 pi by t is equals to under root of g by L, but we need only t. So what happened to this? It will become t is as it is, and this 2 pi's goes to, okay, first I will going to do one thing. I am just reciprocating all the things. So it will become like t by 2 pi is equals to under root of L by g. Why L by g? Because I am doing reciprocal. So it will become like t is equals to 2 pi goes to this side, and it will become like 2 pi under root of L by g. This is the time period for the simple pendulum. Therefore, the above is the time period, time period, period for simple pendulum we can say, and this is one of the important and easy answer. One more thing I'd like to say about this answer will not going to leave you in your BSc physics as well as engineering physics also, but in intermediate second year I don't think so you have this topic. In inter second year we have different topics with us. So this is the time period. So once again I want to explain few things related to this derivation. First, what we have done, we have marked a perfect diagram. After marking the diagram, we are deriving some things. So we derive firstly two things like restoring force and mass of the bob. Mass of the bob is nothing but m itself. Restoring force we were with us like minus mg sin theta. Here m get cancelled. We remains a is equals to minus sin theta. A is equals to minus theta. Why? Because since sin theta is very small, theta is equals to theta itself. From figure 2 again, from that figure only, theta is equals to x by L in equation number 2. So in equation number 2, instead of theta, we are putting x by L. Isn't it? Now A is equals to minus g by L into x, and we are taking displacement outside. So this become like equation number 3, and you might have say, sir, why you have taken x outside? This is the procedure that's only we have to do. Okay, so this is equation number 3. We know that A is equals to minus omega square x. This is equation number 4. We are putting in equation number 3. So in equation number 3, instead of A, what I am doing? I am writing minus omega square x. Okay, which is equals to same minus gl into x. Okay, minus g by L into x. So here x get cancelled, minus get cancelled, we remains like omega square is equals to g by L. So omega is equals to this square goes to the right hand side, becomes the root under root of g by L, but omega is equals to 2 pi by t in above. In place of omega, what I am writing? 2 pi by t, which is equals to under root of g by L. So I am reciprocating the thing, like t by 2 pi is equals to under root of L by g. So t is equals to, just we are sending 2 pi to the right hand side, it will become like this. So this is the derivation. I am going to put on your screen also, you can go through this derivation. Hope you have saw this derivation. This is very important. You need to practice more than one time. Now what is second pendulum? For second pendulum we have few theory part. I am going to put that also on your screen, you can go through it. Hope you have saw the definition of second pendulum also, and this second pendulum is very easy, we can say a simple pendulum whose time period of oscillation is 2 seconds, known as second pendulum. Like on earth, the length of the second pendulum is 1 meter, we can say. So that's all about our today's session in today's class, and I think our lesson also completed. In our next session we will going to start our new chapter related to the intermediate first year physics. I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahliabad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Have a great time. Take care. Practice more than one time. Okay. Thank you.